Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets with Flores. We're going to analyze the market for the pairs, or we're going to review the pairs that we analyzed last Sunday. As you can see, or if you put attention to the markets, they're being pretty much moving sideways, some of them, but they throw a few pips here and there. And some of the pairs, they're still active. So we are going to start right away with our system. I'm using multiple time frame system. This set of indicators that is a great indicators that tells me a direction of the market. We have a set of rules that we or the way we use it. So it is very accurate. So the group is definitely increasing. A lot of people are making or getting to be more profitable with their trades. So I really recommend it for you. And speaking about that, just want to let you know that for Black Friday special, they're selling at $497 off of the original price, which is already, great price at cheap. But that doesn't mean that the system is not great, because it's a great system. So I really recommend it. If you want to take advantage, I think they're going to run that special until Saturday. So if you were thinking or, about getting it, it's a great time to do it. Okay, let's start analyzing and see where we are at this point. For the last 2 weeks, I've been taking pretty much screenshots of our original analysis. So let's start with GP odd. And on Sunday, we were exactly at this point right there. Let me get this out of the way. And this also. Let's see where we are. We had. Let me see. We were about this point right there. And we were saying that we're expecting the market to come down for a little bit. And let me see. And the market, it pretty much went up from that point. Okay, so it didn't do that retracement that we were expecting to see. Now, and I said it before, sometimes the market can just do a retracement, like sharp retracement, or it can do sideways. In this case, it was doing just a sideways retracement. But actually, this move pretty much move higher in this case. Okay, so actually, this is a retracement that we're waiting. Actually, the market went a little bit higher. Now it's doing that retracement, and now we're expecting the market to shoot up like we were expecting. Okay. Let's keep in consideration that the market, it's not moving too well because of the holiday and all this. It's barely moving, as a matter of fact. Okay, so I'm just doing the analysis this week so we can just monitor the market, see where it is. But we're still waiting for the move up. Okay, and obviously now we have the magic arrow right there, so we're gonna have a move up. And then it's going to shoot down, and from that point we're waiting, and we're expecting to go in the up direction. Okay, so that was GP odd. Another I think this was the list right here, so I'm going to go to GP USD, and on GBP USD, let me see, I'm going to look for it right here. Okay, GPUSD in that looks like the 1 hour. I'm gonna see. Make it a little smaller right here. And let's look at the picture. Oh, I can find where. Let me see. I'm not sure if that's a 4 hour or it's probably 4 hour. Okay, let's go to 4 hour right here. Make it slightly bigger. Let's look at the picture. Okay, yeah. So there's a swing low right here. The swing low right there. Then we went up, down, and same thing. We were expecting the market. We were right here, and we had an arrow already as a support for this support right there, but it broke the support. We've been looking at the dollar strengthen this week, so it's breaking supports and everything. So we're still waiting for that move down. Okay, but now obviously the move, it's going to be for them a little bit higher. Okay, so the market didn't went from here. It broke that resistance to the up, and now we're waiting for the move to come at any time down. Okay, so that's where we're waiting on GBP USD. Okay, also we had, so we got GPI, GBUSD. Let's look at GP JPY, and that was the 4 hour. Let me get rid of this one. Look for GP JPY here. I'll move it to the top right there. Let's look at it. 4 hour. And let me look at the picture. Okay, so we were exactly at this point about here, and we're expecting the market to do a short retracement, which it did, but then it shoot up like we were expecting. Okay, so that move went real good. Okay, and now it's moving right there, very close to that supply zone right here. So that could be a great trade also. Just gotta be very patient because how the market is moving. All right, let's look at another one. So we got 3 so far: JP USD and JPY. Let's look at Euro USD. It's kind of the same situation. There it is. Okay, in the 4 hour, let's look at the picture again. Okay, on the Euro USD, we were, let me see. Sometimes I have a little hard time finding this. Okay, we were in this area over here. Let me see. It's hard to tell. Let me move this out of the way a little bit more. Okay, I think that was in 1 hour. Let me see it. Let me see it in 1 hour. See how it looks. And make it a little bigger. Let's get the picture again. Okay, yeah. We were right there after, and then we went down, then it went up to that red arrow, then we came down to the green. Then we're saying that the market was going to go up and then come down, which it did right there. But, you know, although that it came down, it is considered consolidation. This was, you know, very aggressive moves that we've seen on the market. So just be very careful on any moves that you're going to do, because the market is it's just not moving, you know. It's moving very slow. When it moves, you know, very strong. So, but we are in the correct direction. So that was Euro USD. And also, so we got this for, let's look at out NCD. Let me get rid of this one. Let's look at out NCD. Where is that out NCD? Okay. Wow, I didn't see it. Out in CD, I don't see it here. I don't know what happened. Oh, there it is. Come on. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let's get the picture again. Okay, this is for odd NCD, and we were looking at on the 4 hour. So at that point in moment, we were in. Let's see, move this way. So 4 hour, we're looking at the 1 hour right now. Let's move to the 4 hour, so it'll look better. And we were. Let me see, after that move right there, we were around this area. Okay, yeah, so the market, as we inspected, went a little bit lower. I believe we were right here. Yes, so the market went a little bit lower. It went and it did another low. Now the market, it's doing what we're expecting to do. It's probably going to go up from here to do that that move right there. So look for buys. Keep looking for buys on NCD. Okay. For the rest of the week, I mean, it's not even worth it to trade the rest of the week. Okay. Because of the move, it's very, very slow moves right now. And dollar CHF. That's what we got. Let's look for dollar CHF. How about I have as hard as this time as the last one? There it is. Okay, it took me too long in this one. 4 hours. Make it a little bit bigger and see where we are. The picture. Okay. Okay, we're still consolidating. You can see that move right there. It's just the market is being moving sideways in some of the pairs. Some of the pairs are like running very erratic. It's like Tim with Irvin said, it was not even, worth it to trade. If you're gonna trade, just scalp the market, but don't do anything. But we're still waiting. I mean, still waiting for the market to do a move to the up, but that market can easily do another low before start going up. So be very careful. Wait. It's better to wait to see the market, it's getting in the right direction. Then we trade, especially this week. Okay. Well, thank you, friends, for doing this analysis and review with me. I repeat, if you're interested in getting the system, it's only this week you're going to be able to get it for $97 off of the original price. It's going to become to be, I don't know, 200 and something, which is very, very cheap, very good price. It's a one-time payment for life, and you get that system that is going to help you a lot with your trading. And really, really, really recommend it. Well, God bless you all. Happy Thanksgiving for the people in America. If you're not in America, just stay away from trading this week. Or if you want to scalp for a few pips, it's okay. But see you guys back on Sunday for another analysis for the next week. And God bless you all. Be safe.